Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel here at 360 Player. In this video, we're going to go over one of our ready-made sessions inside of our training library tool in the 360 Player app, and this one is inspired by Liverpool. Now for this session, we studied hundreds of hours of footage on YouTube and from Liverpool training sessions and Jurgen Klopp's philosophies to bring you a well-rounded session that is inspired by these English giants. This is a 90-minute session, but you can always make adjustments and changes to it inside the 360 Player app. Now the session starts very basic. Just like most sessions, we gotta start with a warm-up to mentally and physically prepare our players. Most teams in the Premier League start with some sort of general dynamic warm-up, and so we've listed just a basic general dynamic warm-up here in 2 lines, which is used by tons of pro teams all over. But you can also mix in tons of different variations of a general dynamic warm-up, but basically you want to be performing movements like jogging, skipping, high knees, all of these types of movements, moving the body in different ways so that the players are prepared for what's to come. In the next 15-minute block of this training session, there's going to be a little bit of a defensive emphasis. You can break your team down into several groups and do this drill called swarm the ball carrier. Basically, the coach or a player passes the ball into the middle, and then players on the outside try to cut off the passing lanes and close the space to take the ball away. This is a Liverpool-inspired drill because Liverpool does a great job of pressing opponents, cutting off passing lanes, and doing what it takes to win the ball back quickly, and this will help your players get in the mindset of knowing where to go, how to approach players, and how to win the ball working together as a unit. Now after this block, it's time to work on moving the ball and some attacking play. The next 20 minutes is spent with the drill that we see time and time again that Liverpool uses in training, keep away to target players. In this keep away style drill, both teams are fighting for possession of the ball, using what they worked on in that first block and that defensive emphasis part of the drill on defense, trying to work together to win the ball back, but on offense, trying to move the ball, keep away, and they've also got neutral players that are in there to create overloads and help the team with the ball keep possession. If your team needs extra help, you can add in more neutral players or more target players to make it easier for the team that has the ball. And then having an ultimate goal offensively to move the ball into those advantageous positions. They're working together not only to try to keep the ball for keeping the ball's sake, but to actually find a target player. And this is something that Liverpool excels at. They don't just keep the ball to keep possession for possession's sake like some teams. They're always trying to go forward, attack quickly, and find players in dangerous areas in order to orchestrate their attacks. The next 20 minutes is also spent on attacking play, and in this phase we're going to work a bit on finishing. This is a popular 3 versus 2 drill that is used by Liverpool. Basically, you've got 2 teams of 2 players, a neutral player, and a goalkeeper. First, one of the teams starts on the field. The coach plays a couple of balls out to those players, and they try to finish on goal. As soon as both of those players have taken their shots, the next 2 players come on and attack with the help of the neutral player trying to attack on the large goal. Once the ball goes out of play, the 2 players that were just attacking stay on to receive 2 balls and then try to finish, and the cycle continues because after those players shoot, they are then the defensive players against the other 2 players that are coming on to attack. This is a great competitive drill, and it also ensures that players get lots of reps and lots of practice on finishing. To finish the session out, we've got a small-sided game. Now, Klopp and Liverpool, they love 6 versus 6. In fact, Liverpool likes to run 6v6 tournaments at training, which can be very competitive, and it mimics the large-scale game, except with smaller numbers, players get more touches on the ball, so 6v6 is a great drill to use at training sessions. But you can adjust this for your training session, do 3v3, 4v4, 5v5, 6v6, whatever you feel is right for your players and your team. And you can also adjust this drill if you want more of an offensive possession emphasis. You can add some neutral all-time offense players. If you want to emphasize other things, you can adjust the drills in ways that fit your team. The bottom line is small-sided games are great to develop your players, and so that's where the session finishes off. So with that, guys, that's going to do it for this Liverpool-inspired training session. Now, if you want to check out tons more ready-made drills and sessions, we've got a free trial for 360 Player. If you go to our website and enter in your information, one of our representatives will get in touch with you, and you can try out the platform for free and take advantage of some of our awesome tools like our training library, like our statistics tools, like our video analytics tools. So go ahead and give 360 Player a try, and then you could build sessions just like this, beautifully designed in the app, and take wherever you go at any time. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys, and with that, we'll see you in the next one.